Have you ever wondered how successful 3D printing businesses manage to attract and retain customers? In this video, we'll explore the essential marketing strategies that can help your 3D printing venture thrive in today's competitive landscape. 3D printing is a game-changing technology that is revolutionizing the way we design, manufacture, and personalize products. But did you know that effective marketing is the key to unlocking the full potential of your 3D printing business? In the next 15 minutes, you'll discover the secrets to building a strong brand, reaching your target audience, and driving sales through innovative marketing tactics. Understanding your target market. The first step in developing a successful marketing strategy is to deeply understand your target market. Who are the customers that are most likely to be interested in your 3D printed products or services? Take the time to research their demographics, preferences, and pain points. This will help you craft messaging and campaigns that truly resonate with them. Building a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity is crucial in the 3D printing industry. Your brand should reflect the unique value you offer and help you stand out from the competition. Consider developing a cohesive visual identity, including a memorable logo, consistent color palette, and professional-looking marketing materials. Consistently showcase your brand across all customer touchpoints, from your website to your social media presence. Leveraging online platforms. In the digital age, an effective online presence is essential for any 3D printing business. Utilize platforms like your own website, e-commerce stores, and social media channels to showcase your products, share your expertise, and engage with your target audience. Optimize your content for search engines, leverage paid advertising, and explore the power of influencer marketing to reach new customers. Networking and collaborations. Networking and forming strategic partnerships can be incredibly valuable for 3D printing businesses. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other professionals in the field. Collaborate with designers, engineers, or even complementary businesses to expand your reach and tap into new markets. In the 3D printing industry, customer service can be a key differentiator. Offer responsive, personalized support to your customers, addressing their questions and concerns promptly. Consider implementing post-purchase follow-ups, gathering customer feedback, and continuously improving your offerings based on their needs. Remember, effective marketing is the key to turning your 3D printing venture into a thriving business. By understanding your target market, building a strong brand, leveraging online platforms, networking, and providing exceptional customer service, you'll be well on your way to success. To take the next step, be sure to check out our selection of high-quality 3D printers and accessories in the description below. Start your 3D printing journey with confidence and let your business soar.